niche website ideas you can steal today. So selecting a niche for your Amazon affiliate business or any affiliate marketing business you are into or you are looking at doing is very important. It's one of the steps that you can't skip. In fact, if you do it wrong, you may destroy everything you have done or you want to do. Selection of the best niche and why you are choosing that niche is very important to your success. This process is very, very tense and huge, and normally discourages a lot of people from starting a niche website. So I'm giving you the best ideas and the best way you can actually steal niche site ideas right on the internet for free. I'm introducing you to Human Proof Designs. Human Proof Designs is a company that creates niche websites. Here you are with their website, and they have ready-made websites for you. We are going to piggyback on this idea of creating ready-made websites for you. Look at what they are doing. Either you mimic it or you steal completely. So I'm giving you the opportunity to steal completely. If you want to have authority sites, there you are. They have baby products and hunting for now, and they are selling for $5,400 each. If you have the funds, you can easily buy these sites. I have a link in my description. Go get one of these sites and start your Amazon affiliate business or the next site you have been planning to create. This actually relieves you of starting from scratch, getting domain name, web hosting, and all of that. They have done all of that for you. All you have to do is to add content, more content. They actually have content on them. If you want to change your domain, your web hosting and all of that, they have ways you can do that. They are putting you a step ahead of the competition. So they have Supreme sites, which is a little bit affordable. That is $2,999. And then they have their standard sites, which is going for $1,298. The main reason why I want you to look at these sites is that you have a whole lot of niches here. Baseball gloves, airsoft guns, custom niche build. Basically, if you want them to build something for you specifically, that is a custom niche, they will do that as well. But you look at these niches here, and then you can have a fair idea of what you want to do. You may either copy one of these, or you can just buy one of these and start. Because I know people who have started with one of these and have been very successful. You look at Miles Beckler. Miles Beckler started a case study with one of these sites here. And there you have affiliate marketing website, case study, and guide. This was the first month. And he mentioned that he got a ready-made site for him to just add content and start rolling quickly, because he probably wouldn't have the time to start afresh. So that is it. You don't need to start afresh. There you have it. So he mentions Human Proof Designs and where he got his websites and niche already made. So get one quickly or steal the ideas they have here, or this would actually lead you to something you want to do. Probably you want to go into the dog niche. This is dog beds. So you can also do dog whatever, messenger bags. You can also do other forms of bags. So they have done the research for you. Don't waste your time to do more research. Go here. Either you get one of these or you use one of these niches. This will actually also help you to find a niche you have been looking for that you have not thought of. So this is a way to broaden your scope, open your eyes to more niches, and how granular you can go with niche sites. So basically, I will not make this video very, very long. This is a way you can actually copy and steal ideas, niche site ideas from this website. I have a link in the description area. Go there. Either you buy one or steal the ideas here and start your niche sites.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.